Well, welcome back. Monty here, and we've reached day 9. That's page 13 and 14 in your packet. Monty's 20-20-20 series. 20 lessons, 20 minutes a day, right? For 20 days? Okay. So, we're on Wednesday, and we've finally reached April 1st, day 9. Two-dimensional math is now going to become three-dimensional math. All right. There was 3 videos for you to watch where they showed you how to create three-dimensional shapes. Now, I've watched class after class, period after period. There's a lot of you that have sketchbooks. You're constantly drawing. I think you're going to love the next couple of weeks of math because you can already visualize three-dimensional shapes. When I was your age, that was not my thing. I could not visualize how to create three-dimensional drawings. All right? So today is all about creating three-dimensional shapes. Most of your math career has been two-dimensional math. The x-axis, the y-axis, okay, inputs and outputs. Now we need to create three-dimensional drawings. So that's what today is all about. It won't take you very long in the packet because it's all multiple choice. Can you visualize what those shapes look like? So we're on day 9, April 1st. We've got 3 videos posted. Hopefully you have a chance to watch them. You can find those links either on the calendar page, the class web page, or actually go right into Blackboard, Geometry B, and look for Module 4, Topic 1, Lesson 3. All right, so I just thought we would take a moment and just see if we can actually visually create these. Today is more about you drawing these shapes. So let's get started. A square. How does a two-dimensional square become a three-dimensional cube? Okay. I started out with a square and I just shift it up, connect the corners. It helps when I do the little dot, 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 okay? So a square becomes a cube by just offsetting it. I hope you're willing to, on day 13 and 14, actually take some time, think of it as a daily doodle, create a cube. How does a circle become a cylinder? How can we take a circle and make it a cylinder? Okay? Well, I like the idea of Pringles potato chips, right? Or poker chips. All a cylinder is lots of circles. Right? Just stack them up and it becomes a cylinder. All right? A square to become a pyramid. Okay? So pyramids, we really like pyramids in geometry. A 4-sided pyramid, right? So that'd be a square, and each square that you stack on top of it would get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, right? And then a smaller one, a smaller one, a smaller one, a smaller one, and a smaller one, and then we pull it up. Something like that, right? So let's actually create that. Let's see if we could get to a top up here. Hey, I'll take that. There's other types of pyramids. How about a triangular pyramid? How could we do that? Right? Start out with a triangle. And then keep building triangles. triangular pyramid? Okay, so build a cube, build a cylinder, build a pyramid. Now there's other shapes where instead of stacking stuff or translating, we have to rotate, okay? How can we make an ice cream cone out of a triangle? Can you visualize that? Actually, this isn't new learning because we did this back in September, early October when we were talking about rotations. Remember rotations or reflecting? Okay. Imagine if you had a straw and you had a triangle and you spun it really fast, right? Can you see that? An ice cream cone, right? So to create take a triangle and create a cone would be a rotation. How could you make a donut? Can you visualize a donut? How does a circle become a donut? Can you see the donut? It's got a big hole, right? More like a washer than a donut. Okay? How did a circle become a donut? A rotation, right? A rotation. Last thing I'm going to leave you with. How about triangles stacked up? You know what this shape is called? Okay? So, what I leave you with today. Today is a fun day in my world because we're taking two-dimensional math and making it three-dimensional math. 3 different videos that show you those types of concepts. Okay? Only 20 minutes a day. Multiple choice, 6 problems, just mark them, and then spend the last few minutes creating different shapes. And then put some sprinkles on it. Hopefully you're willing to share out what you drew today, how did you end up making a donut, and how did you end up coloring it in. This finishes day 9, page 13 and 14. Okay? Tomorrow, we actually talk about how do we label these shapes. Okay? And we have finished another week of geometry in Montes 2020 series. We'll see you tomorrow. I'm hoping you're willing to share out some of your drawings. Come on, sketchbook folks. You can do this. Share them out with us. See you tomorrow.